The light of the body is the eye, say the poets. But before you can speak to an audience, you must attract that eye. Your audience is a perpetual critic and hard to please. Here's proof that communications is not an exact science. Mr. Communicator, to reach your audience, you first start with an idea. But an idea is nothing until it takes some form. All information has to be translated into words and pictures before your audience can grasp it. So you package your information and bombard your audience with all the devices at your command. So beat your drums, fly your flags, but without an audience, you're talking to yourself. Here's your problem. How do you fill the empty chairs? Now you really go to work. You try a little of this, a little of that. Sometimes you even stand on your head. Even resort to bribery. And in they come, the pinhead, the egghead, squarehead, blockhead, and all their friends. Why don't they pay attention? Because all people have distractions. In their heads or in their hands. Now that you have your audience, you must get their interest immediately. For this, you need a gimmick, a hook. Now hook on your message. Even with this, you can still fail to get through. But give your message showmanship, and you give it power. Look, you've got them. You have the full attention of your audience. Now make your message sing. No matter what medium, use imagination. Why imagination? By this mysterious magic of the mind, man makes new universes. The charm of imagination and the power it gives the individual to create a new world of order and delight makes imagination one of the most treasured of all human capacities. Even nature plays this game, and audiences around the world applaud. Perhaps you call your audience to see a spectacle. Don't forget, the Caesars beat you to this gimmick a long time ago. For thousands of years, handsome gladiators have brought crowds to the Colosseums. To understand audiences, the Babylonian Talmud advised, go out and see how the people act. In an argument with Jefferson, Hamilton said, your people, sir, is nothing but a great beast. Listen to the British critic, William Hazlitt. There is not a more mean, stupid, dastardly, pitiful, selfish, spiteful, envious, ungrateful animal than the public. John Dryden once said, nor is the people's judgment always true. The most may err as grossly as the few. Voltaire had an opinion. Oh, I know what the people are. They lavish easily their hatred and their love. But to Rudyard Kipling goes credit for the most humble statement of all. The people, Lord, are good enough for me.